The 2015 Valley Fire burned through the state forest. About 80% of the mature trees died. There's been a major reforestation effort. My daughter Kirsten and I want to check out the forest recovery. We're starting out on Max Trail. CAL FIRE uses helicopters for fast attacks on wildfires. Wildflowers seem to bloom abundantly after fires.
If you get into So I'm looking around, and this used to be all forested.
They've planted over 700,000 trees after the fire. We're now hiking on the northeast side of the mountain. Look how water droplets cling to this spider's funnel web. The fire has opened up some terrific vistas. Ground-hugging plants are thriving after the fire. Water from the misty rain collects beneath this pine.
The fire scorched the bottom of the tree, but didn't hit the canopy.
These roses in particular thrive after fires. This is a weedy plant from the old world. Gail is my wife and Kirsten's mother. Geothermal heat is used to generate electricity. Boggs Mountain retains most of its tree cover. Here we are back at the trailhead. This unusual hike during a light rain proved quite intriguing. We appreciate you. Please subscribe. Want more information? Go to hikingthegoldenstate.com.